This is question 46 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2017 afternoon session. A 1 meter wide rectangular channel carries a discharge of 2 meter cube per second. The specific energy depth diagram is prepared for the channel. It is observed in this diagram that corresponding to a particular specific energy, the subcritical depth is twice the supercritical depth. The subcritical depth is equal to. So, in this question, a 1 meter wide rectangular channel is given which is carrying a discharge of 2 meter cube per second. For this channel, a specific energy depth diagram is prepared, and in that diagram it was observed that corresponding to a particular specific energy, the subcritical depth is twice the supercritical depth. So, we need to find the subcritical depth. So, this question is from the topic of a specific energy in open channel flow. You may study in detail about this topic in lecture 35, Open Channel Flow, Fluid Mechanics by Professor Subhasis Datta, IIT Guwahati. So, we know that the equation for a specific energy is given by the specific energy is the summation of flow depth and velocity depth, considering the channel slope is small. So, we can write E equal to y plus v square by 2g. Further, this v can be written in terms of discharge per unit width. So, E can be written as E equal to y plus q square by 2g y square. So, in this question it is given that subcritical depth is twice the supercritical depth. The subcritical depth is twice the supercritical depth. It is given in the question. So, for a particular specific energy, we may write for a particular specific energy, we may write the E for subcritical will be equal to E for supercritical. Now, the E for subcritical can be written as y for subcritical. Suppose y sub equal to, suppose let us y sub equal to y, correct. So, y E sub equal to this y sub plus q square by 2g y subcritical depth square is equal to y supercritical, that is for E supercritical y supercritical plus q square by 2g y supercritical square. Now, y sub, just assume that y sub has the value y plus q square divided by 2g, y sub is y square. So, equal to y supercritical. So, y supercritical can be written as y sub by 2. So, we can write this y by 2 plus q square divided by 2g y by 2 square. So, further this equation can be written as this, this one becomes y by 2, this will be y by 2 equal to, so this 2 will be 2 square, that is 4. So, it will be 3 q square by 2g y square. So, further solving we will get the value of y as 1.07 meter. So, after calculation we got the y value as 1.07 meter. So, y value means y subcritical. So, we got y subcritical, the subcritical depth as 1.07 meter. So, for this question we may write the subcritical depth is equal to 1.07 meter. So, 1.07 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.